Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to install a door chime. So I actually ordered this one from Amazon. It is called Daytech DC012-2 wireless door chime. The purpose of this door chime is to create a little bit noise when anybody tries to open the door, my kids or any unauthorized person as well. So look, when we open it, we have a couple of these boxes. So let's find out what we have in these boxes. Can you help me open this one?
Okay. Can I help you with this one too?
Other than the door chimes, we have this thing. And then we have a couple of these things. I buy a couple of that because one is for the main floor and another one is the top floor. So you can hear it. So look, this is what we got. This is a door chime. And it comes with a double tape kind of thing. We do have a double tape for here and double tape here, and this is extra double tape just in case if we need it. And then these are basically creating a sound. Okay, now we put this one here. One we are just leaving it here for now, and we are going to remove this thing. Is actually connected with the battery. If we take it out, it will come out, and the battery is connected with the doorbell chime, or it's called a contact.
Okay, is it a chime bell?
Simple as this. So I just take off the battery plastic kind of thing. So now this is basically a door contact. So if we take it out, start ringing this thing. Same, you can try to take out the other one. Here you go. Then let's try the another one. Simple as this. So yeah, we actually don't have to do anything. Just take out the contact, plug in this bell kind of thing. Whenever you take whenever the door open, it will give you a sound like this. And we do have some other option to change maybe sound or some volume kind of thing. Okay, so this is my back door, and there is the arrow sign actually kind of thing. So you need to try to make it as parallel as possible, both of them. So that's my back door, and I already did things on the front door. Huda, Who the soldier? Can you open the door? Open it. It's already open. Just take it out. Perfect. Close it. Okay. Soldier Abdullah, open the back door. Close it properly. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Open it. Just open it because it's already open. There you go. Yeah. So I buy this door chime kind of thing for this little kid. So most of the time we are just upstairs, so we don't want him to open the door and go outside. So yeah, it's for both, like just for a kid's safety, as well as if any unauthorized persons wants to come inside, so that will help. So if you want to buy this thing, it is called Daytech D01-2 wireless door chime, and you can find easily in Amazon. Just type this thing. You can go for 2, you can go for 3, you can go for 1 chime, and 2 door contacts, 3 door contacts. So it will give you a different price according to your requirement. And yes, it's really helpful for me, as I don't go for any kind of security system here. Just need to know that if anyone tries to open the door, and we just want to be aware about it. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching my video, and kindly subscribe, share, and comments. Thank you very much. Bye now.